This video will show you high probability Heiken-Ashi trading strategies that you can use for scalping or day trading. This video is meant to be a complete Heiken-Ashi guide, so stick around to the end and I promise you that you will know everything you need to know about the Heiken-Ashi. Well, the Heiken-Ashi filters out market noises and shows you the trend in the market. It is easy to use and any beginner can start implementing it right away. I like the Heiken-Ashi because it is less subjective than your typical Japanese candlesticks. Japanese candlesticks can be interpreted in multiple ways depending on the context. And that is why two traders may look at an identical chart and arrive at a different conclusion. Well, if you want a more objective tool to read price action, then the Heiken-Ashi tool is for you. By the way, we are currently doing a giveaway for our premium Forex signals, which we usually charge $99 a month for. If you want to participate in this giveaway, look for an emoji throughout this video. Once you find the emoji, like this video and comment on what the emoji is plus win Forex signals in the comment section. Make sure to do all of the steps because you won't qualify if you only do one of them. We will announce the lucky winner in the next video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to know when the next video is released and whether you have won. Now, a Heiken-Ashi chart smoothens out market noise and thus trends, consolidations and reversals are much easier to spot. The Heiken-Ashi also provides valuable information about the market's sentiment, trend and momentum at the same time. Pretty neat, huh? Big green and red bodies are features of a solid prevailing trend. Green bodies with no lower shadows show that the market is in an uptrend. Red bodies with no upper shadows, on the other hand, show that the market is in a downtrend. If you were to see a doji such as this emerging after an uptrend or downtrend, that's a sign of possible reversal. And if you were to see a couple of Heiken-Ashi dojis happening, the Heiken-Ashi automatically identifies it as a consolidation. Another easy way to identify consolidation is when you see long upper and lower wicks in an area. Let me show you more examples of this to help you understand how it works. Here you can see that the Heiken-Ashi was predominantly green, signaling an uptrend. Then we start to see a couple of dojis being formed and upper and lower wicks being created. That's a sign of consolidation and price eventually reverses and starts to trend down. Before I dive straight into the Heiken-Ashi trading strategies, there are 5 rules to make sure that you interpret them correctly. Earlier on, I explained that Japanese candlesticks can be subjective, and hence these rules will eliminate this problem when using Heiken-Ashi. These are very important, so don't skip this portion and keep watching. Rule number 1. An uptrend is defined as a series of green Heiken-Ashi candles and a downtrend is defined as a series of red Heiken-Ashi candles. Rule number 2. A trend is deemed to be gaining momentum with longer bodies and no shadows. If you see longer green bodies with no lower shadows forming, that's a sign that the trend is getting stronger. The opposite is also true for a downtrend. Rule number 3. The opposite of longer bodies is small or shorter bodies. This signifies that the trend is getting weaker and often you will see the emergence of both upper and lower shadows forming. Rule number 4. Consolidation is defined when you see a series of smaller bodies that have both upper and lower shadows. And rule number 5. After a consolidation, as explained in point 4, a trend reversal is likely to happen. Now that I've gotten that out of the way, it's time to teach you the high probability Heiken-Ashi strategies that I know you are anxiously waiting for, so stick around. The first strategy involves using the Relative Strength Index or RSI in short. You want to set it up such that it plots the lines 30, 50 and 70. We want to pay close attention to the 50 level, which will confirm that the trend is indeed getting stronger. Now, a move from below the 50 level to above confirms an uptrend that is gaining momentum. A move from above the 50 level to below confirms that a downtrend is gaining momentum. The idea behind this strategy is that you want to enter into a healthy trend that is confirmed by both the Heiken-Ashi and the RSI 50 level. You want to buy when the Heiken Ashi candle changes from red to green and the RSI goes above 50. You want to see the majority of the Heiken Ashi candles being green with little to no lower shadows. The opposite is true for a bearish scenario. You want to sell when the Heiken Ashi candle changes from green to red and the RSI goes below 50. You want to see the majority of the Heiken Ashi candles being red with little to no upper shadow. This is a simple and powerful trading strategy that is perfect for beginners. Let me show you more examples of this strategy in action. Next, I want to show you another high probability Heiken Ashi trading strategy, this time incorporating the Ichimoku cloud instead of the relative strength index, so keep watching. If you've never heard or used the Ichimoku cloud before, it consists of several components that help you determine the trend or impending trend reversals. But for this strategy, you will only need to understand the Kumo cloud. The Kumo cloud is used to help you pinpoint support and resistance while telling you about the trend. The thicker the cloud, the stronger the level it is. If you see a thin cloud, that's a sign that the level isn't that strong. With regards to the trend, it's straightforward. If the price is above the Kumo cloud, it is a sign that the price is in an uptrend and you should focus on buying opportunities. Conversely, if you see that price is below the Kumo cloud, that's a sign that the price is in a downtrend and you should focus on selling. The longer price stays above or below the Kumo cloud, the stronger the trend and also the support and resistance level given by the indicator. You want to buy when the Heiken Ashi candle changes from red to green with the price above the cloud. The Kumo cloud should be green. The opposite is also true for a bearish scenario. You want to sell when the Heiken Ashi candle changes from green to red with the price below the cloud. The Kumo cloud should be red. This strategy is also relatively straightforward, except that it uses the Kumo cloud that most traders might not be familiar with. And that's it for this video. You should have everything you need to know about the Heiken Ashi. To sum up, you can incorporate the relative strength index or Ichimoku cloud with the Heiken Ashi to use it as a trading strategy using the rules outlined in this video. Now remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment with the emoji plus Forex signals to enter yourself into our giveaway. If you have not yet found the emoji, that's a sign that you have not been paying attention because the emoji has already been shown. So pay closer attention and rewatch this video. The winner will be announced in the next video, so turn on the notification bell and check to see if you have won. I have also prepared a 3-day trading guide which you can find in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I've previously recorded another very effective scalping strategy and I highly recommend that you check it out right away by clicking on the video end screen over here.